Hey there campers, Carl from Pete's RV Center here. I want to invite you down to Pete's RV Center at our Schererville, Indiana location this weekend, September 13th, 14th, and 15th for our summer cool-off sale. We've got some amazing deals, some huge discounts, some brand new floor plans all here for you to check out. We've got units just like this gorgeous Cougar fifth wheel behind me, this luxury Montana fifth wheel as well, a large line of travel trailers. I mean, we've got Forest River, we've got Keystone, we've got some of the best names in the industry, and we also have Jayco motorhomes there for you to check out so you can hit the road in one of the best RVs in the industry. So come on down to 500 West Lincoln Highway in Schererville, Indiana for the summer cool-off sale. Those of you that are purchasing new RVs, you're going to be going home with a free 55-inch TV because of the sale. We've got a special promo going on. We're going to be feeding you your first meal in your new RV on Saturday and Sunday. We're going to be providing lunch for you. And folks, we really want to make these deals. We want you to get into that new RV. We have got some massive discounts on some overstock and discontinued 2019 models as well. We want to get them off the lot and make room for the brand new 2020s that are showing up every single day. So folks, don't forget September 13th, 14th, and 15th, Pete's RV Center, Indiana for the summer cool-off sale. We can't wait to see you on the lot, folks, and always remember, happy camping.